Hey there! In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about OBD2 trouble code P0154. First things first, let's break down what the P0154 code actually is. This code gets triggered when the engine control module has detected inactivity from the oxygen sensor, also known as the air-fuel ratio sensor. This inactivity typically indicates that the oxygen sensor isn't sending voltage signals back to the ECM, often due to a problem with the sensor's heater circuit or the sensor itself. Specifically, we're talking about the oxygen sensor for Bank 2, Sensor 1. Now let's learn what is Bank 2, Sensor 1. In engines with multiple cylinder banks, like V6 or V8 engines, you'll have two sides or banks of cylinders. Bank 1 typically refers to the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located, and Bank 2 is on the opposite side. Each bank has its own exhaust line, and each exhaust line is equipped with two catalytic converters. Now, here's where the oxygen sensors come in. Each catalytic converter has two oxygen sensors, an upstream sensor, which we call Sensor 1, and a downstream sensor, known as Sensor 2. So when we talk about Bank 2 Sensor 1, we're focusing on the oxygen sensor that's upstream on the opposite side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located. If you want to read more about any other OBD2 codes, you can visit our website obdcode.org for a full list of codes and their meanings. Now let's learn why P0154 was triggered. Your vehicle's oxygen sensor plays a vital role in monitoring the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. It sends this data to the ECU, which then uses it to maintain the optimal air-fuel ratio. The ECU controls the air-fuel ratio by adjusting the timing of the engine's valves, allowing just the right amount of air and fuel to enter the combustion chamber. An oxygen sensor typically has 4 wires. 2 are dedicated to the heater circuit within the sensor, and they're often the same color. The other 2 are signal wires. One is a reference ground, and the other is the actual oxygen signal wire. When an oxygen sensor is cold, its internal resistance is high, and the ECU doesn't get a usable signal. To fix this, the heater circuit inside the sensor warms it up, lowering the resistance so the sensor can start generating voltage based on the oxygen levels in the exhaust. If the oxygen sensor for Bank 2, Sensor 1 doesn't warm up within a predefined time, typically around 1 minute, or if the signal wire remains inactive or open, the ECU triggers the P0154 trouble code. Now, where exactly is the P0154 sensor located? The P0154 sensor, also known as the oxygen sensor or air-fuel ratio sensor, is generally located in the exhaust system, upstream of the catalytic converter on Bank 2. This sensor position can vary slightly depending on your vehicle's make and model, but it's usually found near the exhaust manifold. Now that we understand what P0154 means and where the sensor is located, let's cover how to reset it. Sometimes error codes like P0154 appear due to recent maintenance or temporary glitches, and they may clear up after an OBD2 reset. To do this, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. If you don't have one, check out the link in the description for the best scanners out there. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle, follow the instructions to clear the trouble codes, and see if the P0154 code reappears. If the P0154 code reappears, it's time to look into some common root causes of P0154. Let's discuss some common root causes of the P0154 error code. The first cause is faulty oxygen sensor. Sometimes the oxygen sensor itself may fail due to wear or contamination. The next cause is faulty oxygen sensor heater circuit. Oxygen sensors need to reach a specific temperature to work effectively, which is why many have an integrated heater. A faulty heater circuit can prevent the sensor from reaching optimal operating temperature, resulting in incorrect readings. The third cause is defective sensor wiring or circuit problems. Issues like a blown fuse, broken wires, or poor connections in the oxygen sensor circuit can disrupt the signal to the ECU, causing the P0154 code. The fourth cause is exhaust system leaks. A leak in the exhaust system can allow extra oxygen to enter, causing the sensor to misread a lean condition.